Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, September 20th, 2010. Well, it was a good day on Wall Street today. The Dow was up 145 points at 10,753. The S&P was up 17 to 1142, and the NASDAQ, the big winner, was up 40 to 2355. The NASDAQ was up 1 3/4%. Copper was down a penny. Oil was up 95 cents to $74.61 a barrel. Gold was up again to $3.40. Gold going up when the markets were up pretty big is fairly significant. It means the demand for gold is still strong. Silver was down 5 cents, still way above 20 to $20.74. In fact, it's bumping up against that $21 an ounce mark. Volume was pretty healthy today, and preliminary numbers show that volume on the New York was 3.8 billion, and on the NASDAQ just a hair under 1.9 billion. Treasuries, 5-year 1.4%, 10-year was 2.7, and 30-year 3.87. Yields were down and prices were up. A little bit strange for a good day in the stock market. Normally, you'd have money moving out of the bonds and into stocks. But both the bonds and the stocks rallied today. U.S. dollar was down against the euro and the yen, but up against the pound. The NAHB housing index came out just a bit under the survey. Survey was 14, actual was 13. The problem? You can't have a recovery in housing without a recovery in the job market. Unemployment still remains high. Europe was up across the board between 1% and 1 3/4%, although it did sell off at the end of the day with worries about Ireland resuming. Ireland is in deep trouble. And as a double whammy, they hold a lot of Greek bonds. Asia was mixed, mostly marginally up, except Japan was up 1 1/4%. Only Shanghai, Indonesia, and Australia was down. Shanghai was down 0.5%, Indonesia down 2/3, and Australia marginally. But it was on very light volume as Asia is waiting for the Fed policy meeting. What's coming up next? Well, we need to see if we continue to stay above these resistance levels that we just broke through, and if demand volume, more importantly, picks up. This latest rally was a lack of sellers, but demand wasn't really that strong. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, September 20th, 2010.